love you.
You want to say anything else to her?
I'll see you later.
Luke, what do you want to say to Grandma Pat?
Grandma Pat.
You say happy birthday, Grandma Pat?
Happy birthday to you.
Good job.
I'll see you.
You say I love you?
Pat.
Baxter, do you have anything to say? Hey, Bax! You have anything to say?
It's walking away.
Okay, everybody say bye.
Bye.